What's good, YouTube? This your boy Will, the indicator trader, and I am back with another monthly analysis video and what I will be expecting for July. All right. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you guys can see here, we got 6 pairs on the chart, and we're gonna mark all 6 pairs up. So with AU, what we're gonna do is spectate what happened in June. So as we can see, we're looking for a high to a low or a low to a high. So as we can see here for June, we went from a low to a high. So that will be a bullish Fibonacci. So what I'm going to do is put my Fibonacci from the lowest wick to the highest wick, guys. So as you can see right there, boom. And I'm going to turn this blue so I know that I'm looking for buys. You understand? So boom. Now, in this area, my buys are 61.8 and below, and my sells are negative 27 and above. So you can see here, I'm not going to do the boxes, but I'm telling you guys the area. So I'll be looking for sells at the negative 27 and above, and I'll be looking for a buy at the 61.8 and below if my indicators match on AU. So that is how we're going to do that. So boom, turn that blue. This video is not going to be too long. So boom, we are looking for buys on AU for this month because that is the overall move. But we can still sell AU at the negative 27 and above. All right. So boom, the correlator. You guys should know that these two pairs correlate with each other. So if AU is bullish, that means CAD should be bearish. But we have to still see what type of Fibonacci CAD is to determine that. Okay, so as we can see for US CAD, let me turn off the separators, hit Control Y to turn off the separators. We can see right here on this candle, this is a low to a high. If this candle here would have went lower than that wick, then it would have been a high to a low. So because that did not happen, that is a low to a high. So we have both of those being a bullish Fibonacci. So both pairs are a bullish Fibonacci, which is not bad. It's not bad. So basically right now for US CAD, we'll be looking to buy at the 88.6 and below. So looking at what CAD is doing, we most likely will be looking for buys on CAD at the 88.6. So it looks like CAD will be going down more and AU will go up. So what I can expect to happen, we might catch a CAD buy at the 88.6 and below, and we might catch a AU sell at the negative 27 and above. If that happens, easy money, because that means that is a matching correlation on a monthly time frame, and it's going to go my way or the high way. Okay, so this video is proof before the move even happened, the areas that I'm looking to buy and sell at. So this is the video I was telling you guys about early in the chat. This is proof that the strategy works because I'm telling you guys the areas before the move even happening. I'm letting you know my buy areas. I'm letting you know my sell areas. Okay, so for US CAD, like I said, I will be looking for buys at 88.6 and below. So buy it's underneath the 61.8. That is bearish confirmation that the price will continue to go down. So that is what I want to see. I want US CAD to keep falling down, hitting my 88.6. Once I have a bias, guys, I do not be greedy. Yes, I know it's gonna sell. Yes, it has to come down, but that don't mean you get in the market and you sell it, because then you will be going against your rules. So we have to let the market come to us. We do not rush. Okay, stay with one bias and watch how your win rate goes up. Okay, so that is the play for right now for cash. So let's get into GJ. Okay, as we can see on the daily time frame, we can see we have the will. The WCM is in a sell play right now on the daily time frame. So GJ is gonna have a massive drop really soon. GJ is gonna fall massively really soon. So we want to catch it, but if we the only way we can sell it, we need a sell setup, right? So I know the sell is coming massively. So let's see what happened in June. So from this candle to this candle right here, we all can agree that it was a low to a high. So that is a bullish Fibonacci. So now we have to take the Fibonacci from the lowest wick to the highest wick. Okay, so that's what we got to do. So boom, boom. And we have it right there. Boom, boom. We have it right there. So, oh, let's put it down just a tad bit. There we go. Boom. So now we can see on GJ, the sell areas would be the -27 and above. So if we know that the daily is already in a sell setup, the red and the blue is above the purple, the 90 EMA is above the blue, the sellers are ready on the daily time frame. We want this thing to come up to the -27 so we can catch the daily move. We want that to happen. We know that the sell is massive because it's happening on the daily time frame. Right now, the daily time frame is not down. The trend on the daily time frame is not down, so it's really not ready. So we want it to continue to go up. So for this month, expect nasty sales, -27 and above, and we will catch it. We are going to catch it. Okay. So for GJ, but again, the buy areas for GJ is the 61.8 and below as well. So that is the overall move right now on the Fibonacci. 61.8 and below are buy areas, but we know we can sell at the -27 and above. Okay, that is the power. That is the power of the Fibonacci, guys. It always give you each side. You can sell and you can buy each month on any pair. You just have to understand the levels. That's what makes this beautiful. I'm not barred on one bias. I can sell and I can buy every single month as long as it hit my areas and my indicators match it. I can sell and buy on any pair every single month. So that is the play on GJ. But the daily is nice right now. It's looking like a sell, but the structure is not in a downtrend right now. So it will continue to go up. So we want it to go up. So that's what I'll be expecting for GJ. So guys, pay like so right here, -27 and up would be my target for sales. 61.8 and below would be my buys. But I do not want GJ to fall right now. I want her to continue up so I can get the highest sell and catch the daily move. Because we already got the arrow, the Will Cash Money arrow on the daily, so it's ready to go down. And this pattern looks like a weird W and an M pattern, so I like that. You know, we just need a sell setup on GJ on the 30-minute time frame, and then we'll determine that. So that is the play on GJ. So let's go to EURUSD. Okay, as we can see, June from this candle right here all the way to this candle right here, we can all agree that this is a high to a low. So that would be a bearish Fibonacci because it is a high to a low. And that's what makes it a bearish Fibonacci. So let's turn this red right here. So now we know that this Fibonacci is a seller's Fibonacci, but we can still buy in this Fibonacci, guys. That's what makes it beautiful, okay? We already know from the 61.8 and above is the sell entries, okay? That's the sell entry. We can buy this thing at the -27 and below, okay? The overall move is the sell. It is to sell it, but we have to determine that when it hits it. If the indicators are not matching it, the area is invalid. So that's what makes it beautiful. So I know for only the July month, this whole Fibonacci is a month long. This whole Fibonacci is for the whole month of July. So all I need to wait for the next 30 days is for it to hit the 61.8 and above or the -27 and below. If that doesn't happen for the next 30 days, there is no trade. It's that simple, that discipline. So that is what EU. So right now EU is bearish, but I'm looking to sell at the 61.8 and below, and I'm looking to buy at the -27 and 61. I'm looking to sell at the 61.8 and above. I'm looking to buy at the -27 and below. And the only way I do that if my indicators matches it at the level. Okay, that's the only way I will take that. Okay, that's the only way I will take sales or buys if it matches. And that's the beauty of it, guys, because what makes this beautiful is that the Fibonacci is powerful and the indicators are powerful. So That's what makes this beautiful. Both of them can show me buy and sell, and both of them are different meanings. Like it's a different way of seeing it. So when they both are in sync, that's what makes it powerful. Because they are matching at the same time, that's what makes it powerful. Is if one is showing sell and the other one is not showing sell, you don't take the trade. But if all of them are showing sales and everything is matching at the same time, then you take the sale. That's why this is powerful. That's why this whole system is powerful. You just got to understand it. And that's why it takes 3 hours to understand it. After the 3 hours, then you will understand everything that I'm doing right now. You will completely understand it. You just need the 3 hour Discord, and you'll be able to do this every month. I do this every single month, every single month. So this is how you will start doing your analysis every single month after the 3 hour Discord, and you're gonna be comfortable because guess what? You cannot trade unless it hits a Fibonacci area. 1 second, guys. So yeah, guys, that is what I'm saying. You're gonna be able to do this analysis easy, and it's so great because it's discipline involved in the strategy. I teach you how to be disciplined because of the rules. My rules teach you to be disciplined because you have to follow them. So the first rule is it has to hit a Fibonacci level. So look at where prices opened at. It opened above the 23.6. So I can't trade at all. It's nowhere near the 61. It's nowhere near the 27. It already told me I can't trade. That's what makes it powerful. Let everybody else trade in this bullshit. Let everybody else trade in this. But you're going to trade at the 61.8 and above, and you're going to buy at the negative 27 and below. And watch how your accuracy increases. Watch how your accuracy increases when you do Fibonacci this way. I guarantee you. Because my accuracy increased after I started using Fibonacci. So let's go to GU. So as we can see on GU, we have a what? A high to a low. So you see that. Boom. High to a low. EU, basically they're the same thing, but a high to the low. So now we know we are what? Bearish for GU. We are bearish for GU. So bearish for GU. So look. Negative 27, we buy. We buy at the negative 27 and below, and we sell at the 61.8 and above. We will only do that if what? My indicators matches. If you said that, you are correct. That's what makes it beautiful, because just because it hit it, that don't mean you're going to sell it. It's when it touches, then you look at the indicators. And that's what I teach you in the 3 hour Discord. After the 3 hours, you will understand everything that I'm doing right now. You just got to do it. Okay. So let's go to gold. Okay. Let's go to gold. And we can see with gold, we have a high to a low. So that is what? A bearish Fibonacci. And if you look at gold as well, it's also in a seller's setup on the daily time frame. See, it got the arrow, the red and the blue is above the purple. So this would be a nasty sell if it comes, because that we know for sure we're going with the trend. Okay, so we want the sell to come. Okay, so but we know on gold we can buy at the negative 27 and below, and we can sell it at the 61.8 and above. So we want gold to continue going up. Right now on the daily, it is an uptrend. Right now, it is an uptrend right now on the daily. So we want her to head up, hit that 61.8 and above, and catch the sell. Only thing it is now, we go to the 30-minute time frame and we wait on each pair. Okay. So I'm gonna pause this video, do that for you guys, and then after that, I'll show you what it looks like on a 30-minute time frame, and that will be the end of the video. I'll be back. Here you go, guys. We are back on a 30-minute time frame. As you can see, AU. The bands are touching dead. Usdcad looks like it's heading towards down to the 88.6. We won't know probably until the end of this week to see what happened. But right now, the The will streaks are touching, dead. Okay. GJ, we can see the bands are heading up and away, so we could be seeing a sell setup come in the next couple weeks maybe. But right now, dead. EU, a gap up right now. In a way, we want her to go up, but we don't know right now. But the 61.8 is only 84 more pips up. Right now, the wheel streaks are touching right now, even though we got the gap up, dead, okay? GU, look, bands are touching, whatever you want to call them, wheel streaks or the bands, whatever, TMA bands, whatever you want to call them, they're touching, dead, okay? So you can see here right now, there's no setup. And because it can do that, that's what makes it powerful, because it's already telling you not to trade. You don't have to chase it. Let it come to you. That's what I teach you. I teach you how to let it come to you, okay? And for gold, right now, it probably can go to a sell right now. I don't know, but right now, the wheel streaks are touching, dead, okay? Out of there. Right now, every pair is dead right now as of today, but it could change in the next couple weeks, maybe the first week or the second week. It could change. Right now, I wait because I do not have a setup. And let me show you guys the phase 2. So right now, this is the phase 2 account. As you guys can see, the balance is what? 200,000. I don't know why the win rate says 50-50. I have no idea why it says that. But as you guys can see, this is the profit target right here, 5. And we are done, okay? So let's see what we get for July, man. Let's see if we get any setups to pass this thing and get live, man. So again, right now we are dead, guys. So as of right now, this is the monthly analysis for July. This is the proof of the prediction before it happened. So if I take any of these trades from here on out, this is proof that I was able to predict it. This is proof that the WCM 2.0 works. Once I pass phase 2, this system will be $500, okay? I want you guys to know that. 1 second. I had to sneeze, guys. Woo. But yeah, this system will be probably $500 to $1,000. I don't know yet, but it's definitely, once I pass phase 2, right now the system is $250 for 3 free months. And after that, $55 a month for the Will Cash Money Arrow, or $500 for the year. And after that, it's $55 for the Will Cash Money Arrows passwords. But right now, it's only that. But once I pass phase 2, it will automatically be $500 for 3 free months and $1,000 probably more likely for the year. So yeah, that is how I would do it. And after that, it's $55 a month. But you need the Will Cash Money Arrows because that's what makes it powerful, and that's what makes it kind of easier for you, okay? So no matter how you try to twist it, turn it, like if you get the template and you try to figure out how to trade without it, I mean, you can, but it's like, you know, the arrow really kind of let you know when it's ready. So it's like, that's how I built it, you know, because I traded in the beginning. Remember, in the beginning, I traded with everything from scratch. So in the Discord, I speak about that. So yeah, so right now it's cheap right now, but once I am funded, guys, prices are automatically up. So yeah, that's the end of this video. This is the monthly analysis for July, and that's it. If you got all the questions, I got all the answers. Let's eat!